Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be discussing a very interesting project that I ran across recently, Rocket Ape. Now, personally, I do not own a Bored Ape Yacht Club or a Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Those are, of course, just extremely expensive NFTs. But this NFT is, in a way, related to those, and actually, if you do have either of those NFT, hold either of them, you are automatically considered for the whitelist on this project. They are doing a lot of whitelist giveaways. If you follow them on Twitter, check through their announcements and whatnot on Discord for this one. But we will definitely be getting kind of more into the nitty-gritty of the Rocket Ape today. You know, I'm a holder of the Ape coin as well. I do have a good, decent bit amount of belief in the Bored Ape Yacht Club, just general franchise. So that's kind of why I'm talking about this coin today, is that I feel that there is an inherent value held within this. But of course, please do keep in mind, with that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, purely just a crypto geek who likes to discuss different projects that I run across. So with that being said, please do take this with a grain of salt. Don't invest in something just because I talk about it. You know, make sure to think for yourself, do a modicum of your own research to make sure any investment is the right one for you, because of course, you know, I am never telling you to just jump onto anything for no reason. But at the same time, I do try to talk about projects I think that have a good value to them, and this one I definitely would say so. So we're actually going to start this one with a little intro video from their YouTube and sort of jump into things from there. Beautiful. Goodbye. To the moon, my friends. So we can see here them on their Twitter as well. Build a rocket and with our apes and have fun. Pre-mint is 20th of May 2022. Public sales 21st of May 2022. Coming up soon. We'll check through all of their other social media here in a moment, but definitely check it out. You can see they're doing lots of giveaways, lots of cool stuff over here on their Twitter as well. See, let's fly to the moon. So this NFT giveaway right here, again, definitely click through if interested. This is Rocket Ape, about just over 8,000, about 9,000 followers over here on Twitter. Their Discord, which has got about 7,000 followers, excuse me. Pre-mint is 0.14 ETH. Public mint is 0.16 ETH. And ApeCoin will also be accepted, which I think is super cool. Again, I actually am an investor of ApeCoin just because I jumped in really early when it was, you know, worth a couple bucks. So even though it has fluctuated a lot up and down, I've actually done decently well off of that one. So again, another reason I kind of like the idea of this project. So say hi to 39 BAYCs on the moon. And we can see sort of here a couple of the different ones as we see being sent to the moon. These are real Bored Ape Yacht Clubs being sort of sent to the moon, and we'll kind of get into that. So rocket features. You customize your rockets. Act now. Build your desired rocket before it is taken by others. And we can see the components actually to build the rocket, assemble it, and make that. Lucky bag system. You get 4 or 5 rocket components when you mint our Rocket Ape. Each component can be traded separately on the market. To build your dream Rocket Ape, gather all components you want. Assembly of parts. There are 4 core components, plus a mascot accessory, if you're lucky, for each Rocket Ape. Collect all of them, and if you're ready to build a rocket and launch your ape to the moon. Do bear in mind the assembly is non-reversible, which means you cannot undo to get the components back. Details of the assembly will be given when minting hits 50%. Let's get your ETH back. You received 1 RKA token, Rocket Ape token, when assembling the components into a Rocket Ape. There will be 3 tiers of token, and they will be used to claim the reserved pool, see 100% roadmap, for Ethereum after 100% mint. Further information will be provided when we reach the final destination. And rocket attributes. We get status bars for your Rocket Ape, namely ATK, HP, ACC, and SPD. These numbers are inherent from your rocket parts. Thrilled to see these in the metaverse? Roadmap, ready for takeoff. So we will start at 0 and go up. And I kind of like how they have the roadmap in sort of a cool reverse, so you can sort of see at the top where they eventually want to get to. Excuse me. So, 10,000 bags of rocket parts are ready to be minted, so buckle up. Start working on making our rockets in Metaverse. Introduction of the Ethereum reward pool. Half of the royalty would be sent to this reward pool for RKA token claiming purpose. As you can sort of see, I'm reading up as I go. I'm not going to keep saying all the percentages, but we do see those right here as I go up, so I'll go here. Halfway, details of assemble function and RKA token will be announced. Collaborate with other projects, real-life or NFT projects to strengthen our community, and inject another 20 Ethereum into the reward pool, which is a big love, like very smart to do in regards to any project. Obviously shows a lot of respect for their people. We sort of see how this will actually be counted up as the gas goes by this. I believe he's a mutant ape. So crafting a method of reaching extreme altitudes. So we can see the team here, and you can actually check out the engineer who is doxed, the mooning partners of this, and now it is not affiliated with Yuga Labs, just to be clear. We can see the mooning partners who have actually helped to build this up. Rarity Sniper, NFT Calendar, NFT Feed, Crowd Create. These are all places that I regularly look at, or anyone really in the NFT space is going to regularly put their eyes on, just due to the fact that they are, like, you know, tell the rarity of the NFT calendar again, like when things come out, and just general news and helping make the actual product. Now, keep in mind, you know, what I love about this is the idea of this is short and sweet. You know, they are putting their names alongside a very important project like Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and allowing you to, again, if you're a holder of one of these, actually be a great big part of this project, which I think is really interesting and I'm really excited about. But at the same time, please keep in mind that, you know, as they said, they're not related to Yuga Labs, or they're not part of Yuga Labs. But, you know, I think this one's really cool. I'll just say that much. I would say definitely keep your eyes open, as I mentioned, on the 20th. So when they'll be doing the whitelist, 21st public. So if you're still interested, jump on it right away. You do still have plenty of time to get involved, get your whitelist spot if you'd like. And yeah, I just thought this was a really cool project, so just wanted to briefly discuss Rocket Ape today. Very cool one. As I mentioned, you know, they're very smart to have put their name alongside some very interesting projects, and again, sort of try to bring the Bored Ape Yacht community together, you know, in this very fascinating use of a project. Again, I love the idea of a project with many parts you use to build up on things. So that is why I wanted to discuss it today. But my friends, as always, thank you very much for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddy, and I will see you in the next episode.